Getting pulled over right now. How you doing, sir?
Huh?
How you doing, sir?
Good. What do you got on your shoulder?
AR-15.
You have any ID?
No, I don't have to present one.
Pardon?
I don't have to present one unless I'm suspected of committing a crime.
Unless you're what?
Suspected of committing a crime.
Okay, well people are calling because you're walking around here with an AR-15.
Right.
So I want to know
They called about illegal activity.
Pardon?
They called about illegal activity, I said.
Who called about illegal activity?
Whoever called.
No, they didn't.
This is illegal activity.
Pardon?
This is illegal activity.
That's illegal or legal?
Legal.
Okay, and I have the right to ask who you are.
And I have the right to refuse that because I have not been suspected of committing a crime.
Okay.
I don't commit search and seizure. I don't consent to search and seizure. I don't have to do that either. This is my First Amendment right. Call my stepdad, Lieutenant Lorraine Police Department. Ed Super.
117, go ahead.
Call Ed Super.
Yeah, I'm out with this male. Have them other cars keep coming. Oh, that's your stepdad.
10-4, they're around 103 and 18. 117 is out with that male.
What's your name, sir?
I'm asking the question. I'll tell you when.
No, you have to answer my questions, actually. What's your name, sir? I already sued Lorraine once, man. I ain't trying to do it again.
Well, I heard about it. I already know all about it.
103 to 117.
I'm in front of the Superior Medical Care 1959 Cooper Foster.
So the officer refused to give me his name. Standing here waiting for more officers. Done nothing illegal.
Nobody said you did anything illegal.
Well, then why am I being detained?
Because I'm going to check you out. People
I don't consent to search and seizure.
What? You don't.
I don't consent to search and seizure. Yes, the Constitution makes the rules, is what it is. And I don't consent to search and seizure. This is my First Amendment right, Second Amendment right, and Fifth Amendment right.
Put your hand on the hood. Put both hands on the hood of the car. I can pat you down.
Nope.
For any more.
Yes, I can. Okay, pat me down.
Yeah, I can pat you down for more weapons, buddy.
I don't consent to seizures. I'll say it again.
Okay, you keep saying it.
Am I being detained?
You're being stopped right now.
Am I being detained?
Who you are.
I don't have to give you that information.
Well, yes you do.
No, I don't.
Yes you do.
We'll see when your sergeant comes.
Okay. Who's that coming, Coach 2?
Probably Marty, maybe?
Keep behind him until I
TJ Orlovsky and WS Lancher?
Yes.
I'm just getting it off of my video footage here. Am I being detained for anything?
What's that?
I said, am I being detained for anything?
It's up to Officer. Yes, you are being detained right now until we find out who you are.
For what? Until you know who I am. I don't have to give that information unless I'm suspected of committing a crime, am I right?
What's that?
I said I don't have to give that information unless I'm suspected of committing a crime, am I right?
Well,
you have to answer me. You have to answer that question. Plain, simple question.
Loaded or not?
Yes, it is. And it's not illegal to have it loaded.
112.
Okay. Well, just for our safety, I'm going to remove it from you, okay?
Okay. I don't consent to search and seizure.
Nobody's searching you. Okay.
Well, that's seizure. You're taking my gun from me.
Seizure means we would take it and not give it back.
Oh,
Or
I
simply
okay. It's fine.
Say please right now.
39, go ahead. Affirmative.
Do you have any other weapons or anything on you?
No.
Did Officer Torres pat you down?
112, you can cancel.
You already did.
I don't consent to search and seizures, like I said before, like I said to him.
We just got here. I don't know before you.
I'd like to talk to a supervisor. Or sergeant? So you should know the law then, correct?
Yeah, I know you know the law, but...
Alright.
Yeah,
Am I being detained?
Huh?
Am I being detained?
Yes, you're being detained.
For what?
Huh?
Well, for what?
Carrying a weapon.
That's not illegal. That's my Second Amendment right. That's perfectly legal. So what am I being detained for? What am I being detained for? For what? For carrying a gun?
Close your mouth.
What am I being detained for? You have to tell me what I'm being detained for or I'm free to go. Carry on is his name. I'd like you to call Sergeant or Lieutenant Ed Super, please, for me.
Why?
Because. What's your name, sir? TJ Orlowski and JR Kovac.
You put the camera down so we can keep your hands down in the car. There you go.
Seems like I'm being detained right now. It's for the record. If you would though, Lieutenant Ed Super, give him a call and tell him who I am. Who are you? I'm his stepson. Aaron Soter.
You already get the other officer?
No.
What is it?
I'm not gonna say it again. Sorry. I didn't even say it the first time. You got it. You kind of caught me off guard there. That was a good one. Where's my weapon?
What's that?
So where's my weapon?
It's in my truck right now.
So it's being seized.
What's that?
So
It's not
it's
being
being
seized. We're not taking it from you right now.
Okay.
We haven't left here with it.
Right.
Do you want to give us your name and information so we can get this over a little quicker?
No,
or?
I don't have to do that, sir. With all due respect.
Okay.
I don't see how giving you my name is going to make anything any faster.
Because with the police, we have a complaint and we're investigating it. We're doing our we're acting in our official capacity as law enforcement officers for the city of Lorain in the state of Ohio. So therefore,
Was I breaking any laws?
we had a complaint. So therefore, we're investigating that complaint. So therefore, you are required by law to give us your information.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
I'm not
you are.
suspected of committing a crime. I do not have to give you my information.
We don't know if you've committed a crime or not.
Am I
we have
suspected of
we
committing
have
a crime?
complaint right now.
That's how it is. Am I suspected of committing a crime?
I don't know.
If the answer is no, then I do not have to give you my information.